Today's video is going to be all about my experiences with MCT oil. The benefits will be shown here in the video, and now I'm just going to talk a little bit about what I have experienced with using MCT oil for the past 3 months now. So one of the main reasons that I started using MCT oil was because I always felt fatigue and I was always sleeping at the end of the day, and there's nothing wrong with taking a nap. But if you take a nap like every day, even in the weekends when it's your day off and you're doing nothing, but you still take a nap at the end of the afternoon or at the beginning of the evening, then I felt like there was something wrong. Like, why do I feel so tired all the time? So that's when I started like looking things up, and I tried like several things before that didn't work. But at some point I stumbled upon MCT oil, and here I have a 250 milliliter MCT oil from a Polish brand that I bought here in the Netherlands for €8. And here I also have a 210 milliliter version of MCT oil that I bought in Thailand, which was €4.75. Of course, in Thailand it's going to be a little bit cheaper because they have the coconuts locally available, of course. But I think in general, if you look for MCT oil, just if you look for 500 milliliters, between 17 to €25 range. 500 milliliters is a good price, of course, also depending if you want the coconuts to be biologically harvested or not, etc, etc. But okay, so in my case, my results, honestly, I used MCT oil in my coffee. So I take 1 teaspoon. In the first week I was like literally doing 1 teaspoon, measuring it, but after the first week I just like poured it in there. Some days I would use a little bit too much, and some days I wouldn't use like as much as a teaspoon, which is totally fine for me. The first 1.5 months, and that's also how long this 250 milliliter bottle lasted me, the first 1.5 months I used it every day. Once this bottle was finished, I started with my new MCT oil, which was when I was in Thailand. I used this one 3 to 4 times on a weekly basis because I really wanted to see how my body would react. But in general, the first time that I used MCT oil, like literally the first time, which I think was like 1 or 2 August 2022, it's like 3 months ago, I came home and I noticed that I just wasn't tired. I wasn't feeling like fatigue or that I wanted to sleep, so I was like already pleasantly surprised by that. And then the next day I noticed the same thing, so I felt like I was reborn because I have like my energy back again. I don't fall asleep at the end of the afternoon. And then on the third day I also noticed that throughout the days my energy levels were not like crashing, but were more stable, which is something that I'm very happy about, because for that, to me, it equals better quality of life. Because I felt that, normally if you do stuff in life and you're tired, it's like, oh, I need to do this again, or you think that to yourself maybe. But now, because my energy is like totally perfecto, I don't have it. It's like if I'm gonna do something, I just do it and I'm like done, and I'm like not even tired, nothing. So I do feel that MCT oil really helps in stabilizing your energy levels, which is a really good thing. And there's also other things that MCT oil can help with, for example, weight loss. My case, I didn't experience any weight loss when I started using it. Maybe I should have used more MCT oil, but that was not my initial goal with using MCT oil. And I also think that if I would have been working out for the past 3 months, then maybe MCT oil could have helped me see results quicker, because I do feel that it is a very good oil to manage your body, your cells, your fat. Like, I don't know what's happening inside our bodies, everything, but I do feel that MCT oil is a healthy, good saturated fat that we need in order to maintain and have good energy. That's also one of the reasons that I'm not going to use this every day, because I do feel that if you use something every day, it all should be in moderation. But I use MCT oil now like 3 to 4 times in a week, and I think that's totally fine, and I'm really happy with it. So I really just wanted to share my experiences with you guys, and let me know if you tried MCT oil yourself. I'm really curious to hear if you have seen any benefits with it. If you have any questions, let me just know in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.